where we are going.
I have no idea.
We are heading to bus station.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're just gonna take me somewhere today, but I don't know where we're going. I cannot organize my thoughts. It's too hot.
Actually.
We're waiting for the bus right now, and Yuta's here. Hi, Yuta. Good morning. Oh, happy because outside. So where are we gonna go next?
Let's go around.
Okay.
Let's walk.
Right. This is a very big park and there are some plants there. Reason is what do you mean? Okay, so we are at the bottom part of the park and we found this one. Ooh, it's amazing. I want to take a photo here. This park is really nice. It is very big and according to the poster, it's one of the biggest parks in Toronto. It is so beautiful here. What can you say about this place?
Beautiful. Water is very beautiful. Right?
Yeah, clear? Are you sure?
Very clear, right?
It's not clear though. I cannot. Ah.
I can see.
It's so cold, but it's worth it. We have to climb. Oh.
Which do you want?
Oh, there's a bench there. Let's go up.
Up?
It's more exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's pushing me. So funny. How do you feel?
Tired.
Wow.
This side is better. Oh.
So we're going down because we're looking for a restroom actually.
So you can put it inside and sleep if you like.
Okay, thank you.